Today I'm going to put a replacement bridge on this 1965 Gibson LG-1, one of the models that was notorious for having an injection molded plastic bridge. Replaced a lot of these over the years. They always warped, disfigured, and lifted off the top. You throw them out. So what I'm going to do is put a wooden bridge on it, made of Brazilian rosewood, matches the fretboard, which is rosewood. Why Gibson made a black one, I don't know. They probably couldn't find brown plastic. The glue I'm going to use is hot high glue. It's my favorite glue for bridges, neck resets, anything that I can do within about 2 minutes because you have to work fast. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to set a timer. And Susan, our videographer back there, is going to clock me as I do it.
All right, Dan.
But before you do that, let me explain a few things. I have dry run everything I'm going to do already. I've got my clamps out, the Cauls I'm going to use. I've got my little ceramic heater here to give me an ambient warmth in this area. I've got a little warm water here. I'm just going to dampen that spruce. It'll accept the glue better that way. No turning back now. I think I'm ready.
2 minutes. And go.
I don't care if it little gets outside the perimeter because I can clean it up in a second. What's good about this bridge is it's made on a CNC machine. It's perfectly made by my friend Brian Gallup up in Big Rapids, Michigan, who runs the famous Luthery school there and is a master builder. I reamed some holes for the bridge pins and also to hold a couple of these nylon locators. They won't stick to glue. That's warm. It's got adjustable feet on the edges. It'll press down on the top and down on the wings at the same time. I've got every clamp already at just the perfect height for what I want. Get a great squeeze out. I think I have time to get one more clamp. I'm not paying attention to the timer. Yeah, it's still wet. Now the cleanup.
Dan, you got 15 seconds.
Whoa, left? Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Did it.
Well, that gets the adrenaline rolling.